Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna jump right in. I'm unboxing the hair. You're seeing the lashes. Wig cap came with it. The wig looks kind of ratty here, not gonna lie. It's because I had already taken it out to look at it before I recorded, so that's not really how it came out looking. But yeah, just wanted y'all to see the lace and stuff, how it looks at first. Here I'm just bleaching the knots. I'm really not that skilled at that still. I let the bleach sit on there for about 20 to 25 minutes. Like, why are we moving so fast? Okay, so yeah, anyways, I accidentally bleached some of the front pieces of the hair, so you can see that right there. But now I'm plucking it. I put that white cloth under it just so that I can see the lace clearly on a solid black background. And yeah, I'm just plucking it. I leave a significant amount of this footage in just so you can see just how much plucking goes into it, because a lot does. So yeah. Back to the topic of bleaching the knots. So y'all remember the last video, I forgot the purple shampoo. I definitely remember this time. When I show you the inside of the lace, you'll kind of see it looks a little better this time. I will say that I was kind of nervous about leaving the bleach on for too long, so I probably could have left it on a little longer, but you can see, like, when I show you the lace a couple clips from now, where it's a little lighter in some places. So yeah. Okay, now we're getting started with the install, just rubbing my forehead with alcohol. Y'all can see I did a different braid pattern, more on that later in the video. But definitely let me know if y'all want a video on that. What was I gonna say? Oh, I could have probably done some more plucking, but you know, you live, you learn. You kind of have to wear the wig a little bit to know what you need to do next, or at least I do. I'll speak for myself. I have to wear it for a little bit, then I adjust. So I could have plucked a little more, but yeah, I'm just putting some makeup on the wig cap. Y'all can see the knots there, elastic bands, very nicely constructed. It's a 5x5. At first I was like, it's not really giving 5x5, but it's definitely 5x5. I kind of like trying to measure it with my finger. And also I just noticed, like, it's just more lace, more parting room. Definitely easier to work with than a 4x4 lace closure. So here I'm just laying down some Ghost Bond. That is my lace glue of choice. I'm noticing my hands are pretty ashy here. You know, my apologies, but when you washing wigs, washing makeup brushes, like, I was doing a lot this day, so actually not sorry. Um, I am kind of laying down too much glue right here, and you see where I try to clean it up, but it still ends up being too much glue. So that was a major flaw. Less is more always when it comes to lace glue. When I ended up putting the wig on again the next day, I definitely fixed that and it looked a lot better. So I don't think I've ever really done this method of like cutting the lace after you glue it down. I was just trying something new, and mostly because I had lost my scissors, so I kind of didn't have a choice at the moment. But yeah, I don't love it just because I already tend to not cut off enough lace, and I definitely feel like I did not cut off enough lace at first. When I first installed this wig. So I don't know if I'll go back to that method. I ended up going to the store the next day to get some scissors, so shouldn't have to. So this wig is from OCGK store on Amazon. I really wouldn't bother looking it up. Nothing on there is really in English, but I will leave a link in the description. The title of the wig, it says 5x5 HD lace closure wig, human hair, 10A, Brazilian straight, virgin hair, transparent lace closure wigs for black women, pre-plucked with baby hair, 180 density, glueless wigs, 26-inch. And so that's what I got. That pretty much describes the wigs. The only lie was the pre-plucked, I think. That I don't think that was true. But everything else, and maybe the glueless too, but yeah. That's what I got. 26-inch 5x5 lace closure wig. So, fun fact, I'm sure y'all are already noticing, I'm not really good at flat ironing hair. I'm just like, it's very low effort. Y'all can see the back is very much not flat ironed. I just be lazy with it, to be honest. Like, what I don't know won't hurt me. I cannot see the back of my head, so I don't really be caring if it's straight. So, I just did my best, but did I really do my best? Probably not.
Can we try, make it right? Can we go back to the good times? Maybe if we try, make it right, we can get back to the good times. Walking back to the silence, and back to my house again. When you brought me first, I floated, hands on my hands so bad. I have no choice, so to make me change. Every time I had to raise my last wish to stay for a second before you leave me on the.
So I really don't know what happened to my hair in between those two clips. My best guess is I put the hot comb through it. That's what I'm guessing. And fun fact, right here, I was low key noticing I needed to cut that little piece of lace off right there, but I was in too deep, so I was like, you know what, just gonna let it ride at this point. Also, I just laid those baby hairs with Got to Be Glued spray. So I don't know if I showed it. I don't think I did. So yeah, Got to Be Glued spray is what I use.
If you try, make it right. We can get
So basically what y'all are about to see is the clip end, and then we're gonna cut to a whole different day. I was doing like birthday photo shoots this day, so time got away from me and I didn't get to film like the outro this day. But stay tuned on my Instagram, March 30th. The pictures that I took this day will be dropping on my Instagram, Makeup by Mara J. So yeah, follow me. Hey guys, welcome officially to the hair review. I just wanted to give you guys my final review on the hair. So this wig is from Amazon. I don't know the store. I'll definitely leave the link in the description, but I just really just picked a random wig off Amazon. Maybe I see hair. Check it'll be in the title of the video. But y'all, I love this hair. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Y'all know I rarely have a good review for some hair, but that's how long it is. I love this. All the specs have probably already been listed. But yeah, I definitely think you guys should go out and get this hair. Like, I rarely say that. Y'all know, if you've seen my hair reviews on this channel, you know I rarely am satisfied. But I'm actually satisfied. I love the price. It looks so natural. I will say some things that you didn't see in my install. So right before the install, I lost the scissors for my hair while I was taking out. I didn't lose them. I think I threw them away on accident when I was taking out my faux locks. So I couldn't cut the lace properly, and the lace was looking a little bulky at the end of that video. This is a totally different day. That video was taken the day that I first installed the wig, unpacked it, all that stuff. That video was recorded Sunday. Today is Wednesday. So I've been wearing the wigs between then and now, so I can kind of give a better review. And yeah, so I couldn't really cut the lace properly. Y'all saw I was trying to cut it with a razor. And so when I was at work on my break, I went and got a little thing of Got to Be Glued spray and some scissors. It gave scalp after that. Like, I feel like the day after I install wigs, they never look perfect. I still got to workshop it a little bit, but I cut the lace a little more and some Got to Be Glue spray. It looked like scalp, and it stayed on for like 2 days. I had it on Monday and Tuesday, and then I took it off last night because I wanted to take my wig off. But yeah, I put some curls in it so that y'all can kind of see the curl. It's been holding it pretty well, but it's kind of wavy. I didn't think it would really curl that well just because it's really long hair. I don't really have that much experience with hair this long, so yeah, I really love this hair. I haven't experienced much shedding, a little tangling just because the hair is very long, but still I just can kind of run my hands through it and it gets it out. So yeah, I really like it. I really think y'all should go get it. This is like one of the wigs I actually endorse. So unless something happens between now and the time I edit, which I will put it in there if something does, but this is great hair. Like, and it's from Amazon. How much did I spend on it? I spent $224 on it. So $224 on this really nice wig. Like, I'm gonna wear this thing, and it's a closure. I think I'm out of the frontal game for a while. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Frontals are just too much for me. Like, I am a regular working woman. I don't have time to be laying a frontal every single night before work. I may go back and forth, like say if I have like a really crazy color wig, it probably will be a frontal, but closures are enough for me. So it's a closure, 5x5. Also, I think another major difference between this install and the last install y'all saw, which if you didn't see my last install, it's right here or somewhere up here, because I always point the wrong direction. I think it actually be over here. But anyways, I think a major difference between those two installs is because the braid pattern. So I noticed when I was editing the last wig video, my braid, I had like a bulky braid like right there, and it was making my wig sit a little weird. And if y'all seen, I braided my hair a little different. I braided it down the middle and then down the back, and I think they're laying a lot flatter. My wig looks a lot flatter to me. So yeah, I feel like that was a major difference that made things look a little better. And if y'all want a video on that braid pattern, please let me know. It was really easy, actually. I used to do it back in the day, but then I stopped. But then something just told me to do it this time, so I did it, and it looks really good. I think that was all I had to say. I literally have like no negatives, honestly, about this hair. Like, nothing about the hair is negative. Yeah, everything, like, maybe I didn't really like my install the first day, so take that part with a grain of salt, you know, edit, tweak. I would definitely add some more Got to Be Glue spray after the Ghost Bond and cut off a little more of the lace. But I have like no negatives. Like, love it. That's going to conclude this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My birthday is coming up. I think y'all gonna see this video. I think this is the last video y'all gonna see before my birthday, so I have to mention it. My birthday is Wednesday, March 30th, and all I want for my birthday is 777 subscribers. I just want that. That's all I want, and I'm 7 subscribers away. So can we make that happen in the next? Today is Saturday, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Can we make that happen in the next 4 days, please? Shout out to all the Aries, happy birthday. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Bye.